Here's how to permanently stop Windows from repeatedly asking you to switch to a Microsoft account or finish setting up your device. Windows has a feature called the Second Chance Out-of-Box Experience. Every few reboots or after certain updates, a screen pops up nudging you to connect a Microsoft account, switch your browser to Edge, or enable various Microsoft services. Most people click through and skip it repeatedly, which only brings it back. There is a checkbox that stops it entirely. Click Start, then Settings, then System. Scroll down and click Notifications. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and click Additional Settings. Some Windows builds label this Advanced Settings. Look for the checkbox labeled Suggest Ways to Get the Most Out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Uncheck it. No save button is needed. Windows applies the change immediately. Next reboot, the nag screen will not appear. While you are there, also uncheck Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. This is the same family of nudges, and turning both off stops Windows from treating your screen like a billboard for Microsoft's own products. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.